Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to stop Windows 10 from automatically downloading updates. So this is handy if you're using like a mobile internet, like a mobile Wi-Fi, or maybe like a meter connection, so it's just going to prevent that from downloading automatically. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So the first thing you want to do is actually come down to the search bar down here. And you want to click into that and go ahead and type administrative tools. And it's going to be this one here at the top. So you just want to open this up. And then what you want to do is just look for services, which is just down here, and then give that a double click. And that's going to open up a new window. And then what you want to do is just scroll down until you get to Windows Update, which is quite far down the list. So it's this one here, Windows Update. And then what you want to do is just, you'll see when you click onto it, it's going to come up saying stop the service up here. So if you just go ahead and give that a click. And you can see that has stopped the service. So what's going to happen is that's going to prevent any automatic updates now from, any updates from being downloaded automatically on a Windows 10 PC or laptop. And if at any point you do want to re-enable the updates, all you need to do is come back into this services window through the administrative tools. And then you just want to go ahead and click here after you've clicked onto Windows Update and click Start the Service. And you'll see that's going to restart the automatic installation of updates. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.